How you can set your nickname into your Instagram chats. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can customize your chat nickname. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go and open up your Instagram. Now from here you have to open up your DM and you have to open the chat in which you want to change the nickname. Now if you go into the person's ID, as you can see that here is no option to change the nickname in the personal chat. So what you have to do is simply go back, and from here you have to go in the any of the group as you want, and as you can see here is the option to change the name and the photo, and here you can edit the name as you want. And after customizing the chat nickname you just have to click on the done and you are able to change the name. Because the Instagram doesn't give you any specific option to change the personal DM chat, but you can change the nickname in the group's chats. So this is the only way that you can change the nickname into the Instagram chats. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.